That's right, it's time to bust some more houseplant myths. There's so much weird and wildly incorrect info floating around the internet. It makes it hard to figure out what's true and what isn't. So, here are 5 more houseplant myths demystified. Myth number 1, succulents and cacti are easy. Okay, so this one is conditionally true. Succulents and cacti can be easy, but most people don't have the right conditions to grow them. Desert plants need tons of direct sun and a fairly dry environment. So if you're in a basement apartment with tiny windows, they won't be easy at all. In fact, they probably won't survive, and they certainly won't thrive. But if you've got big south-facing windows, like these, or an impressive grow light system, then yes, they're super easy. Succulents and cacti can go without water for a long time, so they're very low maintenance, as long as you can give them tons of sun. Myth number 2, fiddle leaf figs are difficult. To be honest, I believed this one until my friend Amy gave me her fiddle before she moved. I had heard that they were absolute divas, they'd drop leaves at the slightest draft or environment change, but this little guy was shoved onto a desk crowded with too many other plants, moved around several times, moved to a new apartment in winter, moved around several more times once it got here, and then sat 2 feet away from a radiator, and it has done nothing but thrive. I don't know what those people who call them divas are doing to them, but they should probably not do that. Myth number 3, some people have a green thumb. I used to joke that I had a brown thumb because I had killed quite a few houseplants, including my very first plant, a huge Boston fern. Obviously not this one. I knew next to nothing about houseplants then, and there was no internet to look up how to care for it, so I thought giving it a few Job's fertilizer stakes was a good idea. Spoiler, it was not a good idea. But that wasn't some mystical personal failing, I just didn't know any better. Keeping houseplants is really all about following instructions. There's no superpower involved. It's all trial and error, and yes, you will make quite a few errors before you figure it all out. Myth number 4, unhealthy plants need fertilizer. When you feel a cold coming on, you load up on vitamin C, so why wouldn't a nice dose of nutrients help a sick plant? Well, plants aren't mammals, so you can't use the same logic as you do for yourself. When a plant is unhealthy, they take up fewer nutrients from the soil, so giving them fertilizer can burn the already struggling roots. It's better to treat the problem, be it a fungus or an insect infestation or a bacterial infection. Throwing extra nutrients at it will do more harm than good. These products are all fantastic if used properly. They're not medicine. Myth number 5. You should leave grow lights on 24/7. When I first heard some people do this, I thought, that seems wrong, and my face looked exactly like this emoji. And as it turns out, I was right to be skeptical. Plants collect energy during daylight hours and then regulate and distribute that energy at night. Plants need darkness just as much as humans do. Plants may not be mammals, but they are diurnal creatures just like us. Leaving the lights on all the time can cause stunted growth, tissue damage, and even premature flowering. If you use grow lights, the best schedule is 12 hours on, 12 off, so it's more like the sun. And there you have it, 5 more myths debunked. I always learn something when I research these houseplant myths, and I hope you did too. Did any of these surprise you? Let me know in the comments, and thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comments, and please like and subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell to be notified when I release a new video. You can also find me on Instagram at planty.jen, where I share photos and tips as well. If you'd like to learn more about me, please visit my website at plantyjenstinylandscapes.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Time for that theme song.
If your plants look sad and you lost all hope, tried everything, you're at the end of your rope. Should you throw them out into the street? Nope, just ask Planty Jen. If you want to be a planty acolyte, learn the tips and tricks to keep them growing right. Water, fertilizer, and the right amount of light, just ask Planty Jen.